Let's just say TikTok made me do it. Hey my nikicharmz, welcome back to another Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I have a highly requested video of how to hang a balloon garland on a wall, so let's get started. First, what you'll need is masking or painter's tape and a wall hook. My disclaimer is do not skip the painter's tape. It is essential. It prevents you from stripping your walls. Here's a close-up of me placing the masking tape down and placing the hook on top of it. Make sure to press down so the hook is secure. Next, you want to take a 260 balloon, which I'm stretching out. Then you want to tie it onto the hook. And I just wrap it around the hook and double knot it so that it has two ends. And I tug on it a little bit so I know it's secure. And now we're good to go. Now we take our mini balloon garland and we wrap it around the 260 in a figure 8 method, just so that the balloons will stay secure. And if you feel like it's still loose, you can use the other end of the 260 and wrap it around the balloons, just so that it could be more snugged. And that's how you start the garland. And if you're creating a long garland, you want to put some hooks in multiple places, as you see I'm doing. The key points is to do it at the beginning and end of the garland and in between. So for this garland, I think I used about 4 hooks. And you continue the same process of wrapping a 260 around a balloon once the hook is connected to the wall. And here's the results. I hope this video was very informative, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. I'm about to start a Christmas series and you want to stay tuned. So until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.